If you're having your project managers create invoices within the system, it's going to look a little differently than if you're a business user creating invoices. So there's a limitation with your project manager user type that they can only draft an invoice in the system and it looks slightly different. So I am logged in here as a project manager user. I'm at my entity level and I'm going to go to projects. And in my invoices section, I have the option to do a pre-build report. So once you click on that, then it looks exactly the same as if you're a business user. You put in your project contract, select your project contract invoice and the project contract that you want to bill on, put in your billing through date and hit preview. And when you get in here, then you obviously put in your application number and you select what you want to bill on your project contract lines. So the project manager user actually has the opportunity to put in information as far as here, and then they select create invoice, but it puts it into a draft state. So if I go to view, that invoice has been created, but it's in a state of draft. And it'll have to be a business user that will go in and actually post that invoice. So it just looks a little different, but process is the same and it goes into a draft state. As always, like and subscribe, and I hope this helps.